The production of a three-phase extension lead follows the same principles as that of a single-phase lead. In this video, we'll examine some specifics of three-phase lead assembly. Figure 3.2 of AS-NZS 3000 shows active conductor colours for three-phase cables as red, white and blue, with neutral being black and earth green-yellow. However, many flexible cords available in Australia use European colour coding for conductors. Active colours are brown, black and grey, with neutral being blue and earth green-yellow. Three-phase plugs and sockets are available in several formats and various current ratings, depending on the required use. In this example, we will fit a typical 10 amp unit to our cord. Orient the cord to accept the plug and socket without crossing the conductors. Remember, only strip sufficient cable sheath for conductor connection. Strip, twist and double over the conductors to ensure the best connection possible. Once we fit the cord brake and shroud assemblies to the cord, we can terminate the plug and socket. Both plug and socket can be assembled once we terminate them. When securing the cord brake, ensure there is no tension on the wire terminations. Tightening the cord grommet will prevent the ingress of water and dust into the shroud. The same termination and assembly process is used for both plug and socket. Ensure that conductors are placed in correspondingly marked terminals on the plug and socket to prevent crossed wiring problems. With assembly completed, a final test with a multimeter will verify continuity and polarity.